नमस्ते बिटिया, खुश रहो बिटिया। माई सेल्फ JVN डॉक्टर रितु शर्मा, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ गायनी ऑफ फैकल्टी ऑफ होम्योपैथिक साइंस, ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी, जयपुर. Now today's session is chorion and chorionic villi. The chorion is the outermost layer of the fetal membrane, chorion and amnion. It consists of two embryonic layers, outer trophoblast and inner primitive mesenchyma, which appears on ninth day. At the beginning of the third week, the syncytotrophoblast produce irregular finger-like projections, which are lined internally by the cytotrophoblast. These finger-like buds are called primary stem villi, surrounded by lacunar space, which will later form into intervillous space. जो कोरियन होता है वो सबसे बाहर की लेयर होती है फीटल मेम्ब्रेन की, जिसको हम कोरियन एंड एम्ब्रियन दोनों से होती है. एंड ये है कोरियन जो होता है, ये कंसिस्ट करता है टू एम्ब्रियोनिक लेयर को, आउटर ट्रोफोब्लास्ट एंड इनर प्रिमिटिव मेसेनकाइमा, जो कि 9 डे में अपीयर होता है. एंड जब थर्ड वीक की वीकनिंग होती है तब साइटोट्रोफोब्लास्ट जो होता है, यानी कि आउटर लेयर ऑफ द कोरियन, वो क्या करता है, फिंगर लाइक प्रोजेक्शन बनाता है. इसको जो इसकी लाइनिंग होती है, इनर लाइनिंग, वो साइटोट्रोफोब्लास्ट से कंसिस्ट होती है. और इस फिंगर लाइक प्रोजेक्शन को कहते हैं प्राइमरी स्टेम विलाई, जो कि बाद में इंटरविलस यानी कि ल्यूनार सिस्टम बनाता है. After the appearance of primary mesenchyma and the development of the chorion, the primary stem villi are named chorionic villi. With the initiation of the primary mesoderm into the central core of the villi structures. Now secondary villi are formed on the 6th day. Later on, mesodermal cell in the villi being differentiated into blood cell and blood vessels, thus forming villus capillary system. The vascularized villi called tertiary villi, which are completed on the 21st day. जो प्राइमरी स्टेम विलाई थी वो तो 9 डे में बनी थी. देन सेकेंडरी विलाई है वो 16 डे में बनी है, और जो टर्शरी विलाई है वो 21वें दिन में बनी है. Later on, this extra embryonic circulatory system establishes connection with the extra embryonic circulatory system through the body stalk. Meanwhile, the cytotrophoblastic cells beyond the tip of villus system penetrate into the overlying syncytium adjacent to the decidua. The cells become continuous with those of the neighboring villus system, transferring through the syncytium. Thus, a thin outer cytotrophoblastic shell is formed which surrounds the entire blastocyst. The zone of the decidua immediately adjacent to the trophoblastic shell is called trophosphere, which comprise of the compact layer of the decidua, fibronoid discoid appearance of the on the thin cytotrophoblast outside the trophoblastic shell, and is called Nitabious membrane. Maternal blood vessels pass through all the layers to reach the intervillous space. The villi overlying the decidua basilis continue, grow and expand and are called chorionic frondosum, which subsequently forms the discoid placenta. The chorionic villi on the decidua capsularis gradually undergo atrophy from the pressure and become converted into chorionic leaf by the third month and lie intervening between the amnion and decidua on its outer surface. Remain of the decidua cells and of the trophoblast can, however, be distinguished microscopically. This session is powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.